I want to show you a super simple activity to set up. You just put some pom-poms in the middle bowl, and then the object is to sort them to the left and the right bowl. You don't have to match colors. It's just the idea of using both hands at the same time. Here I added in some spoons so you can practice some scooping if you want. And again, you're just going to put them into each bowl on the side, or you can cross midline and put them on the opposite bowls. So this is a great skill and translates to feeding as well. Here we have some colorful bingo chips, and I'm sorting them for the green on the left, the blue on the right. I'm picking up 2 chips at a time. Sometimes it's to the same side. Sometimes I might need to cross midline to put them in the correct bowl. This again is cross-lateral activity. This is eye-hand coordination and fine motor skills picking up the chips. Super easy to set up. You could use coins at home if you don't have bingo chips. Now I switched it up and I put some dice, and I put them in numerical order. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, and I'm sorting them pink on the left, blue on the right, and going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is an activity definitely for an older kid. And here I am sorting the 2 different color die, and I'm stacking them in stacks of 5 on each side. Again, this is a cross-lateral activity. This is eye-hand coordination. This is motor planning, and this is motor control. You really have to fine-tune your actions so that you can stack the dice without knocking them over, and again, sort them based on left and right.